Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about method of mode quantile regression with the help of one of the latest publication in energy economics, which is Cuban journal, having the major research publication in energy, environment, and economics as well. So the whole discussion will comprise of the following 8 videos. In the very first lecture, we will talk about the paper topic and methodological steps, followed by the descriptive statistics and cross-sectional dependence, slope heterogeneity, unit root testing or checking the stationarity property of the data, followed by the cointegration analysis, MMQR regression analysis for model 1, and MMQR regression analysis for model 2. Why I'm using two models? Because the same two models has been used in the paper which we are going to follow. Last but not the least, we will talk about the causality analysis. So that's all the lectures division. So guys, this is actually the topic of the paper. This is actually the main paper, having a title of Do Green Finance and Innovation Matter for Environmental Production? The Case of OECD Economies, published by Umar and Safi back in 2023. So this is the whole paper which we are going to follow. And the methodological steps have been provided at page 5. And you can see that here comes the methodological design followed by the researchers. First of all, the study will talk about the descriptive statistics. Afterwards, we will discuss the cross-sectional dependence analysis, followed by the slope heterogeneity. And later on, we will talk about the unit root test, or you can say the testing the stationarity properties of the data. Afterwards, we will talk about the co-integration analysis, which will check whether there exists a long-run relationship between the variables or not. Moreover, we will talk about the method of mode quantile regression. And last but not the least, this discussion will cover the Granger causality analysis between the variables of interest. So stay tuned with the Econometric and Research Gateway for the next video. Thank you.